Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll open OneNote and sign in so your notes sync across devices. Once done, tap plus New Notebook, enter a name, pick a color, and verify sync is on. You need one section and one page before adding content. Create them now. Make sure to name pages clearly so you can find them later. Use a stylus or keyboard depending on your preference. This initial structure keeps everything organized and ready for detailed notes. Now you'll add content. Tap text to type, draw to handwrite with a stylus, or insert to add images and files. Once content exists, tag important items like action or question so you can filter later. Move pages between sections to restructure, tap and drag, or use the page menu. Record audio during meetings or snap photos of whiteboards and embed them. These steps make your notebook searchable and practical. Make sure to sync after big edits to preserve everything. Finish by syncing and validating accessibility. Open the notebook menu and force sync to ensure backups. Use the search box for keywords, tags, or handwriting. OneNote's OCR finds text and images once synced. Export a page or share a link when you need others involved. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back in, clear the app cache, or update the app. That usually restores sync. Make sure to back up critical notebooks to OneDrive for extra safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.